channel. We have started the chapter is transducer. In the previous lecture, we have seen so many active transducer and passive transducer. In active transducer, we have seen that there is a piezoelectric transducer. Okay, thermocouple we have seen, thermistor transducer we have seen, LVDT linear variable differential transducer also we have seen. So only two transducer is remain, that is only one transducer, that is optocoupler is remain. So that we are going to take today is the optocoupler. Yes, only one transistor is remain, that is the optocoupler transducer. So, optocoupler means what? First of all, transducer means what? Which converts one form of energy into another form, or which convert electrical signal into non-electrical signal is called as the transducer. Okay. So, optocoupler means what? Opto is what? And what is coupler? Coupler means it is coupled. Opto means what? Which is not electrical, means it is or which should be depends on light. Optics means what? Which depend on light. It's called as the optics. So opto means which depend on light. Coupler means the couple. It should be coupled, but it should be depend on light, not electrical signal. Okay, but it is also called as the isolator. This optocoupler is also called as the isolator. Isolate means what? It should be equal on both sides. 1:1 ratio should be there. It's called as the isolator. Okay, it should not be electrically connected. So how it happens, we'll see. I will draw the diagram, then you will understand it better. Suppose this battery is there, one resistor is connected, then I will use it here as a one LED. I will use it here. Yes, and the LED will be in the like this, and here I am connecting one photodiode which is in the reverse form. Okay, again here battery is connected. See, this is what your LED which emits the light, and what is this? This is the photodiode. Okay, so what I point here, it is connected. No electrical connection is there between these two. This is separate circuit. This is the separate circuit. Okay, suppose this is R1. This is V1, current through I1, and this is R2, current is R2, and this is the V2. This is what the circuit for optocoupler. What concept you have to remember in this, that it is what it is also called as isolator, means this circuit should be equal to this circuit. No electrical connection is between in those two circuits. It is connected what? Optically, not electrically. How optically it is connected? So here we are connecting is the LED. It is what? LED, that is the light emitting diode. At the left side we are using the LED, and here we are using the photodiode. I will write it here, the photodiode. Yes, photodiode we are using here. So what is the function of LED? Light emitting diode. It emits the light. Whenever you give the supply or voltage or power to the light emitting diode, it will be in the forward bias and it gives the light. Here it is if it is in the forward bias means what? What is the forward bias? When positive terminal of this diode is connected to the happen? It will conduct. When LED will be in the forward bias, it emits the light. Emits the light means what? It gives the light, and that light fall on the photodiode. That light fall on the photodiode, and the photodiode will work when and when only when light will fall on this diode. Okay. So when the photodiode work, it not require electrical supply, it requires the light. When light will be fall, it will be work. So this LED's light will fall on this photodiode, and this photodiode will, what it do? It takes the current, reverse current which flows through it. Why it is take the reverse current? Because it is connected in the reverse order. Okay. This negative of the diode is connected to the positive of the battery, means it is in the reverse bias. Therefore, reverse current will be flow through the diode, flow through the photodiode. Okay, reverse current will be flow through the photodiode. Therefore, this voltage can be measured. Okay, so this voltage is depend on what? Initial voltage. So output voltage is depend on the input voltage. Is called as the isolator. Okay. So this output voltage is depend on the input voltage, means how much input voltage you are giving, how much light is fall. It is very high light or slow light or very minimum light. Which light means how much supply you are giving depends on that. If the supply is high, then more number of light will be fall on that photodiode. Then photodiode will be conducts, and it will take the reverse current, and it shows the voltage here. So this output voltage is depend on input voltage, therefore it is called as the isolator. So one application of this photodiode is that photodiode is also used as a it provides the isolation between input and output voltage. Okay, so if voltage is high, then it will be work on the photodiode. So see what happened. Application of this is what? One application, that is output voltage is depend on input voltage. Output voltage is depend, this V2 is depend on V1, therefore it is called as the isolation. And this is the application of this photodiode. What is photodiode? Photodiode is nothing but which depends on the light is called as the photodiode, where one LED is used, one one photodiode is used when LED will be forward bias, when positive is connected to positive is called as forward bias. When the voltage is given to the LED will be emits the light, and that light will be fall on the photodiode, and photodiode takes the reverse current. Okay, so if output, whatever output you are getting is depend on the input. If you are giving the more number of input, you will get the output. So this output is depend on input means what? It is the isolator. Okay, so one of the application is what? If the output is depend on input means it is used as an isolator circuit. Optocoupler is also used as a isolator. So this is one of the application of the what? Optocoupler. All of you understand this? So one question is asked like this. Draw the circuit diagram for photo relay circuit with LDR. Okay. Explain optocoupler means you have to draw this diagram. You have to explain the construction of the diagram. First you have to write what construction you are going to write is here. One positive, one voltage battery is taken, that battery is connected forward bias to the LED means positive is connected positive of the battery, negative is connected negative of the battery. Why this resistor is used? If more voltage is given, more current will be flow, then circuit will be damaged. So circuit should not be damaged, therefore protecting resistor is used. Therefore this resistor is used here, and same the R2 is used here, so that if the more current is flow, it can absorb that current, it will allow the current to flow through that. Resistance opposes the flow of current, therefore it is the protecting. For protection of the circuit, R1 and R2 is used. So this is the LED light emitting diode which emits the light. This is the photodiode which takes the light and operate, it takes the reverse current, therefore output is depend on the input. It is called as the isolator. So one application of this optocoupler is it is used as an isolator. Okay, so this is your optocoupler. So one question is asked like this: explain photo relay circuit with LDR. LDR means what? Light dependent resistor. So one LDR we are using here. This is the LDR. This is the R3. R1, R3, R2, and R4. 4 resistors are used, and 2 transistors are used. Transistor Q1 and transistor Q2. Okay, and this one of the transistor is connected with the diode, and this diode D is the protecting diode that I have told you here. If more number of current will be flow in the circuit, then it allow the current to pass through that diode. It will not go anywhere to damage the circuit, so that current will pass through the diode. Then this transistor Q1 and Q2 is used, and one relay is used. Here is the relay. Here is the relay. So when the relay operate, what is the relay? Relay is nothing but a switch, which is used to on and off. What happens is, this is the common wire or cable. The spring is there in the relay. One coil is there in the relay, which gives. So here what happens is, one common arm is there, and this arm is go upward direction. It will be no gear condition, normally open or normally closed condition. It is normally closed and normally open. Means this is the normally closed and this is the normally open. So what happened? One common is there which operates on the AC or DC signal, whichever you want to give. So what happened here? LDR, when light is fall on the LDR, means light dependent resistor. The resistor is depend on light. If light fall there, only it will be work. Otherwise it will not work. So it have the 2 conditions, on and off. When relay will be on and when the relay will be off. That 2 conditions you have to write here. Okay, work in the working of this photo relay circuit. So what 2 conditions and how the circuit operates, we'll see here. See, first of all, LDR we are using here. LDR is light dependent resistor. When light is fall on the resistor, then and then only what happens, resistor will be operate. If light is not fall, if R is not fall on that, then what happen in the circuit? The resistance will be high. If this resistance R is, light is not fall, then resistance will be so high. Resistance will be very high. Then what happened? Transistor Q1 and Q2 will be in the cut-off condition. Cut-off means it is off. So relay will be not energized. Relay will not energized. Means relay will be in the off condition, because no supply we are getting at the relay. What happens is resistance is not, light is not fall, means it is in the off condition. So there is no effect of transistor Q1 and Q2 and no effect here in the relay. This means what this LED is used whether relay is on and off. How to understand whether relay is on? Therefore we have connected here the one LED. It shows that if LED is on, then relay will be on. Therefore, indicating whether relay is on or off, we have used here the LED. Okay. Another one, another one is here for LED. So one condition is that when R is in the, when light is not fall, when light is not fall on the resistor, then transistor will be in the cut off condition and this relay will be not energized, means it is a de-energized. De-energized, then what happened? That relay will be in off condition. So in opposite direction, when light will be fall, when light will fall on the LDR or this resistor, the resistor will be decreased and this resistance will be decreased and current flow through the Q1 and Q2, and this Q1 and Q2 is in the Darlington pair. Darlington pair means what? These two transistors are connected in Darlington pair means what? This cascaded form means what? This emitter is connected to base of the transistor. One transistor's emitter is connected as a base of the second transistor. Means it is a what? Base to base transistor is used. Emitter to base, emitter is connected to the base of the transistor means high current will be flow. If it is in a Darlington pair transistor, then it will gives the high current and it will give to the, therefore because of the high current, relay will energized means relay will be in on condition and LED will be on condition. LED is also on. These two conditions you understand? जेव्हा लाईट फॉलच होत नाही त्यावेळेस काय होणार आहे, दोन्ही पण ट्रान्झिस्टर ऑफ असणार आहे. ॲट दॅट टाइम रिले पण ऑफ असणार आहे, LED पण ऑफ असणार आहे. इफ लाईट इज फॉल देन ट्रान्झिस्टर ऑन झाला, करंट विल बी फ्लो थ्रू दिस Q1 and Q2. Q1 Q2 दोन्ही पण डार्लिंगटन पेयर मध्ये कनेक्टेड आहे. मीन्स इट गिव्स द हाय करंट. देन हाय करंट इज गिवन टू द रिले. The relay will be energized, means it will be activated. Then what it if it activates, then LED will be on. Okay, so this energized means what? It is activated or it is de-energized, and it is not deactivate. So it will be work in two conditions. Okay, on and off condition. So this is about your photo relay circuit with LDR. If question is asked like this, write a note on the photo relay circuit with LDR with its circuit diagram. It is asked for 3 marks. So you have to draw first the diagram. 4 resistors you have to draw. First is the LDR, that is light dependent resistor. The main resistor which work the whole circuit is the your LDR. It is the R2 resistor. R1 is a protecting resistor. If more current is flow because it is connected in the Darlington pair, transistors are connected in the Darlington pair. In this Darlington connection, what happen? More current is flow, and that more current will flow. If this diode is not used, then it will be damage the circuit. So it should not be damage the circuit. Therefore, this diode is used to protect the circuit. Okay. If more current will flow, a diode allow the current to flow through that diode. Then it will go to the relay whichever it required. That much current only the relay will take, and remaining will flow in the diode. So the circuit will be in the rotation form. Okay, this is very simple circuit. Q1 Q2 दोन transistor फक्त घेतलेले आहेत and one relay is there. If the transistor will flow the current, the relay will on. If the transistor will not in working, the relay will be off. So high current will flow Q1 Q2. High current means what? Transistor Q1 and Q2 will be in. Here is cut off. Here it will be the saturation. Saturated means it is on. Transistor will be on. Then what happened? The high current will be flow and relay will be in activate condition, or it will be in the on condition. So this is about your what? Photo relay circuit with LDR. Dear students, here your transistor chapter is finished, or transistor chapter is completed. So review of this transistor chapter will take in the next lecture. How many transistors were there, what have their functions, what are their uses, what are their applications, characteristics, that all things. Once again review of that chapter will take in the next lecture. So we have completed here your transistor chapter. It is a very small chapter. It is not a very big chapter. It contains only 10% of marks in your syllabus. That is the transducer. Transducer is nothing but which converts one form of energy to another form, which converts non-electrical signal into electrical signal. So today we have seen the optocoupler and photo relay circuit with LDR. Okay, all of you understand this? I will stop it here. Thank you.